Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Supriyono bin Yassin. I am from Malaysia, from welding course technology. So I've already been here almost 2 months, and then I need to finish my course. So far now is the stage now I'm ready finish for the MMA. Now is MMA, MIG, and then now is going to TIG. So for my experience, it's good for me to the lecturer also. Very helpful to support and then give the knowledge and then experience regarding the welding technique, and then the knowledge regarding the welding. So this one good for me to I expose myself and then build up my knowledge and experience. So the last one for me is college also very supportive regarding the material, equipment, and then everything we need in our course. So for me is the college ASTI is a good for me, and then a good experience because I'm from foreign and then coming here to get the knowledge and study regarding the technology, and then the lecturer also from another country give the more supportive for me. So that's it. For me is a good experience and then good moment. I'm learning and get experience in this college.